How to find saved voice messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any message from here. As you can see, a voice message has been shared in this conversation. Press and hold the message and select a Save to Voice Memos. Now, go back and open up the Voice Memos application. Once you're here, go to All Recordings at the top. You are now in the All Recordings page where you can view all your recordings. You will find the voice message you just saved over here. Following these steps, you can easily find saved voice messages on iPhone.